Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
RazorEdge is our end-to-end or edge-to-end solution for manufacturers who want to ingest data, see insights and do actions from that data. We've built it in a componentized manner with pipelines so we can actually customize the application to each individual company's needs. And it allows us to take data from the OT arena, move it through some insights into the IT arena. So your individuals in IT and your management can really see what's going on at the shop floor level inside your manufacturing plant. So we built a standardized tech stack, which means we can deploy the solution very quickly and very easily. And because it's composed of components and pipelines, we can then adapt that solution to meet the individual requirements of a company by adding those components and pipelines into the data flow from the factory right the way through to the IT department. So there's three main parts to the way this works. There's an ingestion part, which takes the data from machines and sensors around the shop floor and the factory, and then moves that into an insights section, which then enriches that data with context and data from other systems. And then that is then pushed into dashboards and other insightful areas, which you can then use your management dashboards, your ERP can then analyze this data to give you actions and insights into what has been collected. So we've been seeing a lot of disconnect in manufacturers between OT, the sensors and the data that's coming off machines, and their IT systems, which are the things like the ERP and the planning tools. So RazorEdge is designed to fill that gap and pull the data from those sensors, that operational technology arena, enrich it with context in an insights phase, and then move that data across to your IT systems. So your production planners, your management, your insights are very clear. You can see what's going on your manufacturing plant from end to end. So we're seeing more and more manufacturers using the cloud as part of their digital solution strategy and for their digital transformation. And that's because the cloud gives you some great advantages, things like resilience, scalability, and the ability to deliver solutions very quickly into your environment. So the pace of change of IT is always increasing. Everything is always getting faster. And the great advantages of the cloud is that it allows us to deliver solutions at a much faster rate without having to worry about on-premises deliverables, things like data centers, that sort of thing. And services such as machine learning or anomaly detection, those sorts of things are only really scalable and only really economically viable at cloud scale. RazorEdge is our end-to-end or our edge-to-end solution for manufacturers who want to start using the cloud as part of their digital transformation strategy. RazorEdge is a componentized system, so we can deliver it to the customer very quickly, very easily, and then we can build upon that by adding in additional components and pipelines to enrich the service for the specific requirements of an individual customer. So if you want to find out a bit more about how RazorEdge can help you, then get in touch with me or the team. I'm Rick Garner, and you can find us on LinkedIn.